Hey, good old DF330 and light is on, nothing happens. Okay, let's check what we have here. We need our multimeter. On the DC mode, and we need to check if we have some voltage on the motor. Yeah, we have 8 volts. Of course the 8 volts is a little bit less, but my battery is very old, so it can be that this battery gives 8 volts. Yeah, okay, so that means we need a new motor for this drill. So the replacement motor, the genuine one, nice one, and now we need to replace the plastic piece here. Okay, now we can close the real housing. Of course my battery is not good here, this one is dead. I need a new battery for this type, but basically this tool made more than 10 years ago now works fine by replacing the motor. Thank you for watching, thumbs up, subscribe, and bye.